Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can use Beehiiv. First, open up your dashboard. Now click on the Start Writing button in the top right. Now type in / to bring a number of elements that you can use to create your post. Choose anyone. Now type in anything you want. Again, add an element using the /. Write in what you want. You can bring in options to stylize your text just by selecting it. Style them according to your liking. Once you are done designing your post. Now give it a title and add a subtitle. Select the authors. You can schedule your post just by clicking on the schedule button. Schedule your post and review your post. Now click on Publish Now to publish your post. And just like that, you have created a post for your newsletter. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.